How to make Google Docs editable. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the all setting of Google Docs, so you can share the Google Docs so that anyone or particular person email ID can edit your document. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so this is my Google Docs file I have opened. Okay, I'm sure you know that there's Google Docs file only save in Google Drive. Okay, so when you open the Google Drive you can see that file. Okay, so this is my file. I just change the name. Okay, so file name has been changed. You can see this file has changed, name changed. Okay, so you can share your file from here also or from here also. Okay, so now what is the status of this file? When you come in this share, you can see this is now private to me only, so I can only edit this file. Okay, so if you want to make editable to others, so just click on it and this pop-up window will be open here. Sorry, I need to. Okay, so here you can see I am owner and I can edit this file. It is restricted, only people with access can be open this file. Okay, so there are the two options. You can make sure anyone over this link. Okay, so this link will be generated here. Okay, and here the permission. If you want to make the editable, you need to make it editor. Okay, so now if you make viewer, then only people can view your file. Anyone can view your file with this link. Okay, and this another option which is commenter. Commenter means people can suggest you. Okay, on that file. If you have data like this and if people make changes on this data, then it will be show like suggestion to you. You need to just approve and disapprove this. Okay, and editor means they can directly edit as a owner. Okay, so editor, just here the link, just copy these links and you can share this link to anyone. Okay, you can share on mail like this, and it can be shareable to others, and people who has this link, they can open your file and edit. Okay, the second option you can see, make it restricted. Okay, so here you need to add the people. Okay, if I add this email ID here, so it is added here, and make sure it is editor. If you want to make viewer, then you can make it viewer. Editor, you can write some message to you, if to them if you want, and just send it. Then one notification will send on this email ID. Okay, and access updated, and now we can see there is two access has been created, which is first owner you, and another we have added this the person as editor. Okay, so the person get the email on that email ID and it will be accept. Okay, and after accept, they can view your file. Okay, you need to just copy this link it and share it to them. It can be this link only open with this email ID. Okay, so this person you need to log in with that email ID to their PC or systems, and then he can open and edit your file with this link. You need to just copy that link and share it. Okay, like this. And from here also you can share. You need to just go to the three dot option, go to the share option, go to the share, and same pop-up will be open. Okay, and you can share from here also. Now if you want to remove, just click on this option and go to the remove access, and it will be removed. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.